In a small village, there lived a boy. His name was Ben. Ben was a cheerful boy. He loved to play and laugh with his friends. He enjoyed running in the open fields. He liked spending time having fun. But Ben had one big problem. He did not like hard work. He wanted everything to be easy. If something was difficult, he avoided it. At home, his parents worked very hard. His father was a farmer. He woke up early every morning. Before the sun rose, he was already in the fields. He worked for many hours. He never complained. But Ben did not help him. He made excuses. He said he would help later. But later never came. His mother also worked all day. She cooked food. She cleaned the house. She asked Ben to help sometimes, but Ben refused. He chose to rest and play instead. At school, Ben was the same. He finished his work quickly, but he did not do it carefully. He made many mistakes. Slowly, his marks became lower. His teacher noticed this. One day she spoke to him kindly. She explained that success needs effort. She told him that learning takes time. Ben listened, but he did not change. A few days later, his father asked him to come to the field. Ben did not want to go. But this time, his father was serious. Ben had no choice. Early the next morning, Ben woke up and went with him. The air was cool and fresh. At first, everything felt nice. Ben looked around with curiosity. But soon, the real work began. His father showed him how to work in the soil. Ben tried for a few minutes. Then he became tired. The sun became hot. Sweat covered his face. His hands started to hurt. His legs felt weak. Ben stopped working. He sat down on the ground. He said he could not continue. His father stayed calm. He did not get angry. He continued his work slowly and steadily. Ben watched him quietly. He noticed something. His father was not fast, but he did not stop. The next day, his father gave him some seeds. He told Ben to plant them. Ben planted them quickly. He did not care about the details. He did not water them properly. Soon, he forgot about them. Days passed. The plants did not grow well. Some became dry. Some died. Ben felt disappointed. Then his father showed him another part of the field. The plants there were green and strong. They were growing beautifully. Ben felt surprised. He asked his father how this happened. His father explained gently, "Good results need care. They need patience. They need hard work." Ben understood his mistake. He felt sorry. He decided to try again. This time, he worked differently. He prepared the soil carefully. He planted each seed slowly. He watered them every day. He removed weeds from the soil. He checked the plants regularly. Some days were easy. Some days were difficult. Sometimes Ben felt tired. Sometimes he wanted to stop. But he remembered his father's words. He continued his work. He did not give up. Days passed slowly. After some time, small green plants appeared. Ben felt happy. He smiled when he saw them. He took even more care of them. The plants grew bigger. They became stronger. Finally, the field was full of healthy crops. Ben felt proud of himself. This time, his happiness was real. His father smiled at him. Ben now understood the truth. Hard work takes time. but it gives real results. From that day on, Ben changed his habits. He woke up early. He helped his parents. He worked in the field. At school, he studied carefully. He paid attention in class. Slowly, his marks improved. His teacher was happy. His parents were proud. Ben was proud of himself too. He was no longer lazy. He became strong and confident. And he never forgot this lesson.